Thank you for calling True Restorations to help you with your emergency condition. Please know that a project manager has been assigned and is on the way to your location. You will likely get a phone call with an ETA if you haven't received one yet. We produced this video for you to watch so you can better understand what we will be doing once we arrive and begin to assess the damages at your structure. If you haven't done it already, please review the list of do's and don'ts in the attachment we sent you. If you did not receive them, please visit our website at www.truerestorations.com for quick reference to this valuable information. When we arrive, our manager will make an assessment to determine the following. What caused the emergency condition? Has the cause been contained, stopped, or neutralized? What is the extent of the damage that cannot be seen in areas such as the space behind walls, under floors, inside materials like sheetrock, doors, flooring, furniture, and textiles? This search is accomplished with the use of specialized equipment, whether it's detecting trapped moisture or detecting evidence of smoke damages. A full and thorough assessment will be done to determine the appropriate emergency mitigation services. This process can and will be done without causing any damage. Once the initial assessment is complete, we can then more accurately determine a cost to perform the necessary emergency cleanup. The scope of work we will suggest will match the accepted IICRC industry standard for restoration cleaning. Thanks again for calling True Restorations. Help is on the way. We will see you soon.